Let's sing happy birthday to Lola. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lola. Happy birthday to you. Hep hep hooray! Hep hep hooray! Hep hep hooray! Nay, maligayang kaarawan po sa araw na ito. Sana po ay maging maligaya kayo, mag-enjoy kayo sa inyong birthday kasama ang inyong mga kaibigan, kapatid, siyempre pamilya. Kahit po malayo kami, ay kasama niyo pa rin kami dito sa video na ito. Kaya po, maligayang kaarawan po muli sa iyo, nanay. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Gabriel, may sasabihin din.
May God bless you. Happy birthday. We will meet soon.
How about Nina? Nina, what you want to say to Lola? Say something to Lola. Say something.
What am I to say?
You greet Lola happy birthday. And I love you.
Lola, I love Big Lola on her birthday. Love you. Yeah.
Happy birthday po and God bless po. See you soon.
All the best at mag-enjoy po kayong lahat dyan. At sana po magkita-kita tayo muli. God bless and we miss you all.
Bye.
Bye. See you soon.
Yes, sir.
We miss you. We love you.
We love you. Bye.
Thank you for coming sa birthday ni Lola, ni Nanay. God bless. Bye.
Bye.